Introducing Wildfire Watchdog, the home automation wildfire sprinkler system. Here we have our pump and our water source. Also can come from a hose. And then we have our fresh water here that feeds into our 3 sprinkler zones. And then it has your soapy water here that represents the proportioner for the wildfire retardant foam. Now these sprinklers here represent the eave sprinklers or the rain gutter sprinklers. At this time they are just putting on normal water without any soap to saturate the house completely. After this process, then it will continue to loop the process, but for half the time and with the addition of the fire retardant foam. Now you can hear other valves start to open at the same time or before other ones close, so the pump never builds up too much pressure. This is the final zone, zone 3, that covers the bottom side of the house. You can also tie this into your irrigation lines that are already existing past your backflow or your well if you do not need a backflow. This can come from either the house line, garden hose fitting, or it can come from national pipe thread. 3/4 or 1/2 inch is normal use. Now, the third valve shut off, and now the proportioner valve is turning on, sending the concentrate through the lines. We will decrease the flow a little bit for demonstration purposes. As you can see, the bubbles are starting to form up down here, and you can see that the proportionator is working. Because there is not very much pressure, not very much foam is coming out. But this represents what this sprinkler system can do. Simply saturates the house with normal water and then coats it with a layer of foam. This is all done automatically through the cloud-based system for a platform that you can use using dashboards from your phone or computer, or simply with SMS messages so that you can start the process and it will tell you when the process finishes, depending on what your needs and likes are. Now it is turning on the final zone with the soapy water. The soapy water represents the foam that covers the house. If we had more pressure, you would be able to see more foam. Now, that shut off, and now the main valve shuts off. Now the final zone shuts off and all of their valves, as well as the pump that's sitting in the external water source. The process is now finished. Your house is secure from wildfires that may come your way.